Somebody saw him running from 16th Avenue. They never found the fingerprint or the weapon that was used. But someone killed country music, cut out its heart and soul. They got away with murder down on Music Road. The almighty dollar and the lust for worldwide fame slowly killed tradition, and for that someone should hang. Well, they all say not guilty, but the evidence will show that murder was committed down on Music Road. Oh, the steel guitars no longer cry and fiddles barely play, but drums and rock and roll guitars are mixed up in your face. Old Hank wouldn't have a chance on today's radio, since they committed murder down on Music Road. They thought no one would miss it once it was dead and gone. They said no one would buy them old drinking and cheating songs. Well, there ain't no justice in it, and the hard facts are cold. Murder's been committed down on Music Road. Oh, the steel guitars no longer cry, and you can't hear fiddles play with drums and rock and